very much. We're just here kind of to, again, re-announce the, we're gonna do another night court session the evening of May 30th, so next Thursday, and then also on June 27th of 2019. That'll be for the county court only, so on second floor. It'll be in courtroom number 24, and this will go from 4:30 to 7 p.m. The purpose of this additional court session is to provide greater access to the justice system to those individuals who cannot miss work to attend regular court session without risking termination of their employment. It will also allow those individuals to get other individuals to watch their children during the regular business hours, and they can arrange for a family member then to come in and watch their children during the time they come down to court in the evening. This is a pilot program. Ms. Kerkhoff and City Attorney Jeff Kirkpatrick went to the county clerk or county courts and asked them about doing something like this. They were very enthusiastic about joining us in this. So this also includes the sheriff's office, because they have to have somebody here to have at the entrance and also to provide security for the court. So this is a collaborative effort between the city attorney and the county sheriff and the county clerk's office. So hopefully this will help. It's, like I said, it's a pilot program. It is only going to be dealing with misdemeanor, non-custody cases. If there are warrants, we are going to do the warrant forgiveness again, but that will not be for individuals who have a warrant on a Class 1 misdemeanor where there's been a hold for court. The judge, a lot of times what will happen is an individual will come in for sentencing, they'll miss their sentencing, and then the judge will place a hold for court on them. Those individuals will go into custody if they show up, so we want to make sure that they understand that. Jeff or Jessica, do you want about how to get a hold of the courts and?
Sure. The court is taking matters to be set currently for that session. Anyone can come to court at this time and request to be set in that session for a matter that won't necessarily result in a custody. I believe the court is setting all the matters right at 4:30, and we'll take them kind of as we can through the session. We would appreciate, and I know the court would appreciate, people coming in advance to set those matters up so that we can have an idea of the number of people that we're going to have our files pulled and be ready to go. That definitely assists the court as well in knowing the amount of files that have to be ready for this session. Definitely, if you have an attorney, please contact your attorney to get that set up for you. If you don't have an attorney, please feel free to contact county court on the second floor of the courthouse. Call the clerk's office, that's at 402-441-8959 for instructions on what to do and how to get your cases set for that session. Again, we won't be able to address necessarily issues that are hold for court or people that do need to be taken into custody, kind of unlike the last time. We really appreciate everybody's involvement in getting this set up, and we definitely see the value in thinking creatively and hopefully not only reducing the amount of warrants that we have here in Lincoln and Lancaster County, but hopefully see that ripple effect into reducing their jail population, if at all possible, and getting matters resolved without people having to be taken into custody.
So just to clarify, they can show up with a misdemeanor